Today we're going to be growing sprouts in a jar, and you're probably wondering why. Why are we doing this? Well, my biggest reason is because you can do it all year long in the dead of winter. It's so easy, so quick. It's a really amazing process to see these dinky little seeds grow leaves. It's really beautiful. And so, yeah, it's so easy. It takes anywhere from 2 to 5 days. Also, sprouts happen to be very nutritious. I believe they have 100 times the enzymes that you would find in your average green spinach, lettuce, arugula. They're very densely packed with nutrients, and that's because the seed needs that to germinate, meaning to grow leaves, its first set of leaves. It's like indoor gardening, but a million times easier. Taking ownership over these little organisms and seeing them grow into these little sprouts. It's really beautiful. Yeah, so what materials do you need? So we have a jar, and I took out the metal insert for the lid, so I just have the ring here. So I have this material. Ideally you would have a cheesecloth, but as long as you have a material that has like holes in it, I actually cut holes out of this one, and you want to make sure it's clean, so put it in the wash prior. And we're going to eventually, after we fill this with our seeds and some water, we're going to put the material on top of the jars, secure it with the lid like so. A tablespoon. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of seeds and sprouting seeds. So I got my seeds at like a co-op, but you can really get them at any like natural food store. I believe most grocery stores sell them, and they're literally titled sprouting seeds. They can be fairly pricey. If you're not interested in busting your wallet, you can just use vegetable seeds instead. And you can get those at any hardware store, any farmer's market. I believe places are now starting to sell vegetable seeds now that we're heading into early spring. So you don't want to just get any random vegetable seed packet. There's like different types of vegetable seeds that work for this process. Some examples are alfalfa, radish, arugula, kale. There's probably more, but any place you go to that's selling vegetable seeds will have one of those. They're pretty common. Let's get started. Okay, so I want to make sure to sterilize my jar. So you can either put it in the dishwasher, or what I do is I take hot boiling water and I just swish it around. Pour it out, and then for extra measure, I'll just wash it. You could either let it air dry now, or if you have a towel that was recently washed, you can dry it off like that. So once the jar is completely dry, then we can pour some seeds in here. Okay, so after having sterilized my jar, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of the seeds. 1, 2. And now I'm going to go fill it with water. So I got my seeds in the jar. Now I'm going to pour cold water. You're going to fill it all the way. So now I'm going to cover the mouth of the jar with the cheesecloth and secure the ring over the top. And so what the cheesecloth does is it filters out any contaminants in the air, whether that be pollen, dust, dander, but it also allows for airflow. So now I'm going to let this sit on my counter for 8 hours or overnight, either works. And after 8 hours has gone by, I'll show you the next step. Thanks. So after the 8 hours have gone by, you're going to want to drain out the water. Add fresh water, swish it around, and drain out the water again. And you're going to want to do that 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening. And this process can take anywhere from 2 to 7 days, depending on the seed that you're using. And before you know it, you'll start seeing the seed turn into sprouts. So yeah, just repeat that process of drain, rinse, drain 2 times a day, and you'll have your sprouts before you know it. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I wish you luck on your sprouts journey. Hopefully this project inspired you to grow your own sprouts regularly, or maybe it was just a one-time thing. But yeah, I hope this video showed you how easy it is to grow your own food. There are a lot of very old-time methods that people have been using for a long time to grow their own food, and I think it's important to tap into that and to honor that. So yeah, thank you.